Alright guys, so first of all, thank you so much for watching. I'm Juan, this is BlueprintPC. It's my YouTube channel you're watching, and welcome to round 2. You're probably wondering, well, what the hell was round 1 and where was I? Well, let's figure that out. So, kind of rewind back. June of 2019. Not like 1994, but June of 2019, I started a website, sort of. I started building a website, and I realized, in order to better do it was a tech website, but in order to better help people understand, do things, I'm like, well, I need to do video content because that'd be nice to be able to actually illustrate, hey, this is, or demonstrate what you need to do in order to install RAM, do this, do that. And I'm like, well, and I had this huge big plan, and I, still have that plan, sort of. And while I was doing the videos, I realized, I'm like, I like this, and I think this might be easier for me to do it this way instead of a long, super professional, techie, website, which I'm still probably going to do that at some point in time when I get some more assistance and things like that, and maybe if this grows well. But anywho, so when I decided, I'm going to switch to prioritize YouTube, I'm like, my goal would be to get 100 subscribers before the end of the year. And I got really close there. The end of this December, I had 91, 92 subscribers, and then the last week and a half or so, it shot up to 120, which in YouTube standards, shooting up 30 subscribers isn't much, but to me it's a lot. That was freaking 25% of my total count. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for that. It was a goal I had, and to actually hit it, considering how rough of a second half of my year I had last year, I greatly appreciate that. Getting onto that, so unfortunately I dealt with a lot of medical things. I'm still dealing with a lot of medical things, and I'm just trying to grab the bull by the horns and push through those right now and carry forward. So for any of you guys out there who are dealing with medical issues, or family members are, or anything of the relative nature, I sympathize for you. I feel for you. I know how much it sucks firsthand and how difficult it can be. And just my wife's a freaking trooper for dealing with it and everything else. Just, I give her super duper credit. So, and should probably thank her for me continuing to do this because she just makes everything easier. But without kissing her butt too much more, we're going to talk about round 2. So we have a new year, new gear, new goals. So new year, it's obviously 2020. Yes, I'm kind of jumping into this late here. I had some things I need to get squared away first and some steps I need to take. And it's the end of January 2020. And as of right now, I have 143 subscribers. Just keep that number in mind. There'll be a reason for it. But new gear. I got tons of items that I bought that I need to do reviews on or just have ideas to do content with, and I will get to that. I'm going to go through that. I have stuff backlogged from last year that I need to try and expedite here too, but there's a few items from this year, more recent, that I want to get done just so it stays relevant. So I've got a buttload of content coming out. I'm going to try to release it at least one video a week just to get the ball rolling again. I may do a few small ones in between there for items that don't deserve a whole video or a super long video at least. And then kind of also going with the new gear factor, got a few extra things around the room here to help. One, just keep myself on track, organized, functioning better. If you can't tell already, I did get a new camera. It is a 4K higher quality camera. I don't know if I'm going to leave the videos in 4K or I'm going to down them to 1080. We're going to see. I'm going to kind of just determine how it goes. But new camera, so I hope it looks better for you. Please let me know in the comments. And sounding better, I hope, is also the same case, because I got a mic boom. I got, long cable extension, so that way my mic stays at a consistent distance through the videos, because I know a lot of you guys did talk about the quality of the audio was inconsistent and up and down, and it was really just crazy and just sometimes just outright not good, and it sucked. So by all means, if you guys do have critiques or comments, whatever, throw them in the comments of the video. I'm perfectly okay with it. I'd rather hear your guys' response and know if I'm doing something completely blatantly stupid than just sit there and do something blatantly stupid over and over and over and over again. I mean, I look at myself in the mirror, that's bad enough every day. So, but got a new camera, got some new mics set up, gonna try to help improve the quality. Like I said, I'm always gonna try to improve things, and I hope you guys can see that. And then going for new goals now. So this year, my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I plan to do everything I can to keep my content consistent coming out. Not going to do any like paid advertising, but I might do some more social media stuff and try to get myself out there in a different manner. But I'll keep you guys posted on that. But yeah, that's my goal. I want to try to get 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And yeah, that's it. I mean, if I could do more, hell yes. If I do less, then poo. It happens. It might happen. It probably will happen. But if you guys like the content, spread it out there, like, you know, bad things or good things or whatever, and show your friends. So either way, guys, I'm gonna give you what I got. So we got another year, round 2. We're gonna try to fight back this one. Last round I got beat up a lot due to all the medical stuff, but this year we're fighting back. So we're gonna try and go for 1,000. See how it works. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Leave your comments below if you have any. Catch you guys in the next one.